For the next exercise, we are going to compléter les phrases avec l'article défini. So we are going to fill in the blanks with the definite articles. Do you remember what are the definite articles? Le, la and le. So these are the definite articles. Le comes before a noun that is masculine. La comes before a noun that is feminine, and le comes before a noun that is in the plural form. So these are the simple rules. So shall we begin? J'aime dash samedi. So it is masculine. So we write le. J'adore dash dimanche. If you notice, the names samedi, dimanche, lundi are all the days of the week. So we will be learning the days of the week next. So now these are the names of some days of the week. So here also it is le, mais, but je déteste dash lundi. So again it is le. J'aime le samedi, j'adore le dimanche, mais je déteste le lundi. The meaning of this sentence is, I like Saturday, I love Sunday, but I hate Monday. The next sentence, elle adore dash pomme dash radis et dash épinards. So these are the names of some fruits and vegetables. If you notice, pomme, it is in the plural form. So we write les. Elle adore les pommes. This is also in the plural form. So les. And finally, épinard is also in the plural form. So it is les. Moving on to the next sentence. Dash médecin soigne dash malade. So here, this is the noun. It is in the masculine form. So, le. And this noun, malade, it could be either masculine or feminine. So, you could write either le or la. The next sentence, dash glace, j'adore. Now, the noun here is glace. It is feminine. So, we write la. And finally, the last sentence, j'aime dash musique rap, mais je préfère dash chanson de jazz. Now, the first verb is music. Sorry, the first noun here is music. J'aime. Now, this is in the feminine form. So, la. J'aime la musique rap. I like rap music. Mais, but, je préfère, I prefer, dash chanson. Chanson means songs. Now, it is in the plural form. So, what would we fill in this blank? It is les. Je préfère les chansons de jazz. So, this is how we write. This is just a practice exercise for us to fill in the definite articles. J'aime le samedi, j'adore le dimanche, mais je déteste le lundi. Elle adore les pommes, les radis et les épinards. The third sentence, le médecin soigne le malade. The fourth one, la glace, j'adore. The fifth sentence, j'aime la musique rap, mais je préfère les chansons de jazz. So, this is how we fill in the definite articles. So, now you must be thorough with how to fill in the definite articles le, la and le.